How y'all doing? Spike here in the shop. I've been working on my thickness sander here. Everybody's got to have tools to work with, and well, this is one I made. So it says I've been live for a long time, so y'all probably been seeing me sitting here poking buttons. I'll edit it all out and fix it. Anyway, I got my old thickness sander here going, and I got it kind of laid out. I'm going to put another deck on it, and we got it adjustable, or we can adjust the thickness of the board. Y'all see this right here. So that adjusts how thick the board is going to be when we sand it down. So that's the way that works. So let me just turn it on. I made me a board here with 60 sandpaper on it that I can stick in here. I can bring it down just a little bit and put a little stick on it. Usually I can turn this drum up. That's how the thickness sander goes together. I'll turn this down here. I'll stick a piece of wood through. A little rough on the edge of that. But it's running nice and true. We're going to clean it up with a finer grit of sandpaper. And then we're going to glue a roll of this here 80 grit on it to make it flat. And then we're going to use this sucker to make some plastic. So, hey, y'all hang out and do what you got to do. Spike's got to get gone to the school to pick up the grandkids. And the wife's coming back from California today. So, hey, got to go pick her up too, I guess. Hey, y'all be good instead of trouble. And just wanted to give you a little update on what was happening with it. Got a lot of updates to do to it, but it'll be finished soon. Y'all stay out of trouble.